Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices and accounts, so setup proceeds without friction. On the Android, open Google Family Link and sign in with your parent Google account. On the iPhone, make sure you have an Apple ID for the child and screen time enabled under Settings. Once done, create the child profile in Family Link and note the child's Apple ID for cross-checking. Make sure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth active, so discovery and pairing can occur. Next, you establish the connection and configure permissions that actually enforce controls. From Family Link, select Add Child and either send an invite to the child's Apple ID email or enter the code displayed on the iPhone into Family Link. This pairs the profiles. Grant necessary permissions on Android so Family Link can manage apps and view location. On the iPhone, enable screen time, set downtime and app limits, and configure content and privacy restrictions. These settings translate into enforced limits across the two ecosystems. To finish, you verify controls are active and know how to recover if something breaks. Test an app lock and a web filter from both devices, check location updates in Family Link, and confirm screen time reports on the iPhone. This proves the controls are applied. Once confirmed, schedule occasional reviews and adjust limits remotely from your parent app. If pairing fails, reboot both phones, reissue or re-enter the pairing code, and if needed, sign out and sign back into the child account before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.